Nikoko 9. The Nikoko Ultra Beam. Flashlight combines power, precision, and convenience in one versatile tool. Featuring a 2,000 lumen LED with an impressive 500-meter beam, it ensures unmatched long-range visibility for outdoor adventures, patrols, or camping. For close-up tasks like car repairs or reading maps, switch to the softer 1000 lumen mode for clear, focused light. Its N52 grade magnetic base allows hands-free use by securely attaching to metal surfaces, making it perfect for emergencies or repairs. Adding to its versatility, the flashlight includes a 2,000-meter green laser for long-range targeting and a 300-meter red laser for mid-range visibility, both operating independently. Titan Edge. Meet the Titan Edge, your ultimate everyday carry tool. The Titan Edge is a revolutionary multifunctional titanium knife designed to take your EDC to the next level. Built for strength, durability, and versatility, this lightweight tool packs 8 powerful features into a sleek, compact design. From slicing branches and repairing gear to handling emergencies, the HRC 50 blade ensures you're always prepared for the unexpected. Engineered for effortless cutting, the Titan Edge combines precision and sharpness to handle any task with ease. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's the perfect balance of portability and power, making it your ultimate go-to companion for daily tasks, outdoor adventures, and critical moments. Titan Forged. Say goodbye to bulky tools. Meet Titan Forged. Tired of lugging around heavy tools or carrying too many on your outdoor adventures? The Titan Forged is here to simplify your life. Combining 12 essential functions, including a pry bar, bottle opener, wrench, screwdriver, nail puller, caliper, and even the world's smallest eternal pen. This compact multi-tool is designed to tackle any situation. Its smart design also features a non-sharp box cutter, perfect for slicing through tape without damaging your box's contents, making it ideal for unboxing. Tankock. Meet the Titanium. 10-in-1. EDC multi-carabiner, your ultimate everyday companion. Ready to carry all the tools you need in the palm of your hand? The Titanium 10-in-1 EDC multi-carabiner is more than just a carabiner. It's a game-changing piece of gear for adventurers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who values versatility. Combining 10 essential tools into a sleek, compact design, this innovative multi-tool is built to tackle both daily tasks and unexpected challenges with ease. Equipped with a slotted screwdriver, it's perfect for jobs ranging from wood assembly to bicycle maintenance. Need more options? Its expandable adapter lets you choose additional bits to suit your needs. Sharp Hill. The Sharp Hill is the ultimate everyday companion, designed to simplify your life while being ready for any outdoor adventure. Crafted from high-quality titanium, this minimal and classic multi-tool is lightweight, durable, and built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its sleek design looks great wherever you go, and it packs all the essential tools you need for daily tasks. Equipped with a bottle opener, letter opener, cardboard box opener, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, staple remover, multi-size wrenches, and even a window breaker, the Sharp Hill is a must-have tool for any situation. Saber Pepper. Spray Launcher. Protect your home and loved ones with the Saber Pepper Projectile Launcher, an effective and reliable personal security tool designed to give you peace of mind. This easy-to-use launcher allows you to defend yourself from a distance with a direct impact range of up to 60 feet, 18 meters, delivering intense pain and sensory irritation at speeds of up to 350 feet per second. Pepper Spray. Introducing Guard Dog Security's Olympian, the world's premier all-in-one personal security device. Combining the power of a stun gun, flashlight, and pepper spray into a sleek, compact design, the Olympian eliminates the need to carry multiple tools, giving you everything you need for personal protection in one convenient device. Baton Q. 2. Multi-tool. The Baton Q2 is the ultimate tool for the modern urban go-getter. Designed for sturdiness and reliability, this sleek minimalist multi-tool is equipped with the essential basics: a small blade and a 75-lumen LED flashlight, making it your go-to companion for any adventure. Whether you're navigating the city streets or heading out on a quick trip, the Baton Q2 is always on hand and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Part of the Baton family, a collection of multi-tools designed for the demands of modern users, the Q2 is about the same size as a common ink marker, fitting perfectly into your pocket, bag, or backpack. Its slim, innovative design doesn't sacrifice functionality, providing high-quality tools in a compact form. Ready Hour. Solar power bank. Never worry about running out of power again. With a massive 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, this wireless solar charger is more than double the capacity of many lower-grade competitors, ensuring your devices stay charged through any adventure. Equipped with 2 USB ports and a USB-C port, you can charge up to 3 devices at once, making it perfect for multitaskers and on-the-go situations. Built to withstand the elements, this charger is waterproof and rugged, making it ideal for emergencies, natural disasters, and power outages. Whether you're camping, hiking, on a hunting trip, or staying in your RV or cabin, this solar charger is your reliable source of power when you need it most. Sidekick. Introducing the Sidekick, your rugged, reliable weather alert radio. Stay connected and powered up with the Sidekick, a rugged and reliable weather alert radio designed for any adventure. Featuring solar-powered charging and Bluetooth technology, this device lets you stream your favorite music anywhere while keeping your devices charged with the built-in rechargeable lithium battery. No need to worry about running out of power. Easily recharge the battery through solar power or with the hand-crank power generator, ensuring you're always ready for any situation. Whether you're out camping, hiking, or preparing for a storm, the Sidekick ensures you have both entertainment and communication at your fingertips, making it the ultimate companion for any outdoor journey or emergency. EXO Open Range. Introducing the EXO Open Range, the ultimate portable workstation. Transform your outdoor experience with the EXO Open Range, a versatile and portable system designed for smooth transport to your campsite, trailhead, or even the ball game. Simply attach it to the EXO system, and you're ready to go. Once you arrive, open it up and turn it into a fully functional workstation, making it easy to prep, cook, and serve without ever leaving the spot. Moon Air Tent. Introducing the Moon Tent. Fast setup, ultimate comfort, and full protection. Say goodbye to long setup times with the Moon Tent. Equipped with the powerful Giga Pump 80, which inflates your dome tent in just 5 minutes, drastically reducing setup time compared to traditional pole tents that can take 1 to 2 hours. Crafted with durable Oxford cloth and TPU air columns, the Moon Tent offers exceptional flexibility, durability, and resistance to damage, supporting the entire weight of the tent without the hassle of poles. This innovative design not only makes setup a breeze, but ensures long-lasting performance in any environment. The Moon Tent also comes with a detachable bug mesh, featuring a snap-on design for quick and easy installation. This mesh serves as a room divider, offering complete insect protection and allowing you to customize your space for maximum comfort and privacy. Perfect for solo adventures or camping with peace of mind. CBX Solar. Introducing the CBX Solar. Power up your adventures. Off the grid. When the sun's out, your power's on with the CBX Solar, the perfect blend of modern aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Developed in collaboration with Sunflare, this solar-powered powerhouse features a first-of-its-kind integrated solar panel capable of delivering a 36-watt 5-volt output, making it ideal for powering your devices while off the grid. With 2 USB ports, the CBX Solar is perfect for small campsites, providing enough juice to charge phones, tablets, lanterns, and action cameras without draining your vehicle's power. The integrated lid handle ensures easy transport, while the removable torque tool stows away, opening up 16 cubic feet of space to store all your gear. Adventure longer and smarter with the CBX Solar, your portable, sustainable power source wherever your journey takes you. Nebula Mars 3. Bring the cinema with you wherever you go. With 1000 ANSI lumens brightness, a max screen size of 200 inches, and 1080p resolution, you can enjoy a cinema-level movie experience in the great outdoors. Plus, our AI technology automatically adjusts the screen brightness for optimal viewing, ensuring you always have the best possible picture. Compatible with Android TV 11.0, you can access over 400,000 movies and shows and 7,000 plus apps, expanding your entertainment options. It also works seamlessly with Chromecast and Google for an easy movie night setup. Nidacor. Introducing the Nidacor EMR 30SE Portable Electronic Multi-Purpose Repeller. Enjoy uninterrupted outdoor adventures with the Nidacor EMR 30SE, a portable mosquito repeller that combines cutting-edge technology and powerful protection. Equipped with an active diffusion system and FCB 2.0 heating system, the EMR 30SE offers an exceptional mosquito repelling experience, ensuring you stay comfortable even in the most challenging outdoor environments. The active diffusion system boosts efficiency, creating a mosquito-free protection zone in just 5 minutes. Wide Path Camper. Ready for your next adventure? Discover the Wide Path Camper. If you're seeking a new kind of adventure that takes you off the beaten path, the Wide Path Camper is your ticket to freedom. Tailored specifically for bike campers, our lightweight and compact design makes towing effortless, letting you explore remote destinations without the need for a car.